Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying your business in Facebook Business Manager so Meta trusts your account. Once done, apply for WhatsApp Business API access and have your legal documents and a dedicated phone number ready. Make sure to pick between a business solution provider or self-hosting, because that decision affects scaling and maintenance. Then set up your webhook endpoint and install an SSL certificate so messages and delivery receipts flow securely. These first actions get you authorized and technically ready to send structured messages. You now configure message templates and build customer flows, design templates for notifications and promotional content, and submit them for Meta approval. Once approved, implement webhook handlers to process incoming messages and delivery statuses, and build logic for session versus template messaging. Make sure to import contacts with explicit consent, segment audiences, and map personalization variables to templates so messages feel relevant. Also integrate with CRM or marketing tools so you trigger messages. You finish by launching in stages. Start with small test cohorts, measure delivery and response rates, and iterate on templates and pacing. Once confident, scale up while monitoring limits, quality metrics, and user opt-outs to remain compliant. If things go wrong, first check webhook logs, message status codes, and whether your phone number is provisioned or banned. Then validate template approval and quota usage. Make sure to tweak consent flows and fallback messages so customer experience remains smooth as you expand.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.